There is a repository that it will be automatically constructed and you can get the information on that. Okay, so if you have to categorize actually this innovation and programs related to innovation, there are 4 categories. National platform, as I told you, Smart India Hackathon is one of the national platform. Policy interventions, right? IIC, Institution of Innovation Council, IIC is policy intervention. They have made their own policies. They are very clear about it. Okay, they ask all the institution to establish IIC cell in their institute. You also have. So this is policy interventions. Innovative courses, as sir said just now, we have already introduced some innovation courses in your curriculum.